Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope all of you are doing well and safe. Let us continue with the exercise 13.2. Last video, if I remember, we stopped at question number 4. So let's try to solve one or two more questions very quickly. That is, let's start with question number 5. Question number 5, that question states a cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter. Always be careful with that diameter. So the moment you hear the diameter, find out the radius first. Diameter given 50 centimeters. So immediately no second thoughts for that. Radius. Find out the radius. That is, radius is diameter by 2. That is 25 centimeter. Okay, no second thoughts for the diameter means get the radius divided by 2. Alright? Okay, that part done. Quickly, one part finished. 5 half mark sure. And 3.5 meter in height. Now there is a problem. We can see that the units are not same. One is centimeter, one is meter. Okay, let's read the question. Which one shall we change? Meter to centimeter or centimeter to meter? That will be decided. Find the cost of painting the curved surface, understood, of the pillar at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. Meter, that means we have to convert the unit into meters. So this 25 centimeter, I will divide by 100 to get the meter. So 4. So 1 by 4 meter. So that's going to be the radius. Height, h, of course 3.5 meter. So question is very understandable here because question straight away says find out the curved surface area of the pillar. So let's find out the curved surface area of the pillar. So curved surface area of the pillar, that is cylindrical in shape. What is the formula? 2 pi r square h. 2 pi r square h. So let's quickly solve. So that's going to be 2 into the pi value given in the question. What to use? Nothing given. So we will use 22 by 7 into 1 by 4 meter into r square. Sorry, 2 pi r h, isn't it? Sorry, 2 pi r h. I'm confusing with volume. 2 pi r h, 1 by 4 meter into, some of you must have thought, what is sir doing, no? 3.5 meter. Okay, let's calculate this then. So 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are 22, so that's like 11 by 7 into 3.5. I will use the decimal system. I will divide by 10. No, 1 decimal, so I'll bring 1 down, so that's going to be 10 because 5 7 5s are 35. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So that's going to be, okay, instead of that, this is always the easier way, that is 11 by 7 into 35 by 1 decimal meter square. 7 5s are 35. Now I know that 5 2s are 10, but I will not, because instead of dividing and getting the decimal, if I have zeros, multiples of 10, metric system, I will just use that, because that will be 11 into 5. 55 upon 10, so that's going to be 1 0 up, so 5.5 meter square. That's always easier, okay, instead of calculating. No? Now let's find out the cost. So cost of 1 meter square, it's given in the question, that is it is rupees 12.50 per meter square. Per meter square means for 1 meter square the cost is rupees 12.50. So we have to find out the total cost. So cost of, what was our area? That is 5.5 meter square will be rupees 12.50 into 5.5. That's going to be how much? Rupees 12.0 into 5.5. So if we calculate, I believe you're going to get rupees 68.75. 68.75. You can just calculate that and see for yourself. I am sure that you're going to get this value, 68.75. Okay, so the first question is that. Let's go to now question number 6. So question number 6, let me not write down the question. I believe all of you have your textbooks and notebooks, everything with you. Question number 6, let's have a read through that particular question. It's given. Let's read it together, okay? Curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 4.4 meters square. What is given? Curved surface area is given here, 4.4 meters square, okay? Every time we have to find out the curved surface area, total surface area. This time the curved surface area will be given, so something must be wrong, isn't it? Let's see what is wrong. If the radius of the base of the cylinder is given 0.7 meter, radius is given 0.7 meter. Find its height. That's what was wrong. Height was missing. That's why they gave us the curved surface area in order to find out the height. Otherwise, they will never tell us to. They will never give us. Very clever. No, otherwise they will never give us this curved surface area, because that is what they will tell us to find out, isn't it? But this time they gave us that. That means something must be missing. Something must be wrong, and exactly so, as the question says, height is not there. That's why they very cleverly they gave you the curved surface area. So height, let it be h. So given curved surface area of cylinder, how much is that? That is given to us 4.4 meters square. 4.4 meters square. Okay, now what is the formula for curved surface area? Curved surface area of cylinder is actually supposed to be 2 pi r h, and this is given 4.4 meters square, but in this value something is missing. That is 2 into 22 by 7 into r, 0.7 into h meters, into h is missing, which we will find out now. Now again, as I mentioned, if you can, no need to convert. If confused, you should convert. Okay, that's up to you, but for your sake, of course, I will convert 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 10 into h meter is equal to 4 by 10 meters square. I'm going to convert that. That will be easier for us. No, one decimal comes 0, one here also one decimal goes 0. So 7 and 7 I'll cancel. Don't cancel that 10. I know 2 5s are 10. Very tempting. Wait. So that's 2 into 22 by 10 h into h meter is equal to 44 by 10 meters square. Now let's cross multiply. So leaving only h, because our job is to find h, isn't it? So 10 will go up. 44 into 10. Cross multiply. 10 will go up, this will go down, leaving aside h. So that's 10 into 2 into 22 will come down. Meter square, this meter will go down, meter. That's why unit of height will always be single length, that's going to be meter. So 10, there are many ways to simplify, okay? You can also, I'm not saying that you will have to do only this. Simplification is up to you, no? 22 1, 22 2s are 44, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So that leaves us with only 1 meter. So our height is how much? Very simple, it is just 1 meter. Okay? Alright, fine then. So let's go to one more question. This will be our last question for this video. That is question number 4, 5, 6, question number 7. Okay, let's have the question. The inner diameter of a circular well, okay, something is wrong here also, is 3.5 meter. Its depth is 10 meter. Find its inner curved surface area. No problem. The cost of plastering this inner curved surface area at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. So then that's quite simple. Because what they have given is, they have given us the well which has an inner curved surface area, something like this. So the question that is given to us is the inner diameter of the circular well. Inner diameter, that means the full. No, diameter means full. The inner diameter. So immediately what did I say? Okay, inner. That means we have two diameter. We have two circular rings. No, that's why it says one they say is inner, the other one is the outer. All right. So inner diameter is given how much? 3.5 meter. So immediately let's find out the inner inner radius will be 3.5 by 2 meter. Let's leave it there. While calculating we will simplify. No? Okay. Depth is also given. Depth of the well. Depth means this one. So that's going to be height of the well is given 10 meter. The first question is find the inner curved surface area. So no problem. Inner curved surface area. They are not talking about outer curved surface area at all. So that's not going to do anything extra. 2 pi r h again. So pi value given, anything to use this and that? No. So that's good. 2 into 22 by 7 into r 3.5 by 2 into h 10 meter. So that will be meter square. Okay, 2 I can cancel here. Now 22 into 3 by 7 into 3 5, one decimal is there, so I'm going to take that 110. That's how I prefer. 10 meters square, so 10 gone, 7 1 7 5. That's how I generally prefer because it's always easier for me. Okay, for me it depends on person to person. 22 into 5 meters square, so 110 meter square. So the inner curved surface area of this well is 110 meters square. Second question. They again don't talk about the outer curved surface area. That means the outer curved surface part was just a advertisement only. Forget about that. Cost of plastering this curved surface. This curved surface means they have asked you only about the inner surface. That means they are talking of that surface only. Inner one. The inner surface. The cost of plastering this inner surface at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. Almost same like last question. No? So cost of plastering 1 meter square, rupees 40. Cost of plastering. So what will be the cost of plastering 110 meters square? That's going to be rupees 40 into 110. So that's going to be rupees 4400. So that will be rupees 4,400 rupees, total rupees required for plastering. Alright, so no difficult questions here, very simple questions. So in the next video we will try to solve maybe all the remaining questions in one video, 8, 9, 10, 11 if possible. Okay, so alright then, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next part also where I'll be solving the remaining questions from the exercise also. Okay, so till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.